Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and whether you call these pork rinds or chicharrones, you're gonna love these Southern recipe, small batch chicharrones. These babies are packed full with flavor. You could definitely see that these are quality chicharrones. They pack a crunch, yet melt in your mouth with flavor. Trust me, you're gonna wanna eat more than just one bag. So if you're like me and love chips, but don't want all the calories that come with it, or want a low carb option, then these chicharrones are for you. When I think of chicharrones, you have to have the perfect crunch. Soft to the crunch and it melts in your mouth. Just listen to the crunch. I'm definitely impressed with the taste and quality of these chicharrones. They're perfect for on the go. I can put them in my lunch bag or even grab a bag to watch my favorite show or movie. So if you're looking for a quality snack, easy to take on the go, the perfect crunch, and packed full of flavor, then you're gonna love these Southern recipe small batch chicharrones. Try them out, see for yourself. And that's my point of view.